to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. Yes, so I'm finally live on Facebook. The past two Sundays, I think the last Sunday I could not come live, but yes, here I am, and I'm ready to go. This seems exciting to me. And किसी ने बोला था कि why don't you do one of these songs that you had covered, that is Chand Chupa. So I want to start this live session by singing a few lines of one of my favorite songs and one of my favorite covers that I've done. So yeah. गुमसुम सा है गुपचुप सा है मदहोश है खामोश है ये समा हाय समा कुछ और है हो चांद छुपा बादल में शर्मा के मेरी जाना. So yes, that was Chand Chupa, जो मैंने कवर किया था and I put it out on YouTube T Series के channel पे. It was a part of the show Suro Ke Rang, which was a tribute to Gulshan Kumar ji and to the legendary music that T Series has put out. So Chand Chupa was definitely one of my favorites, and it's sung by two of my favorite singers, Udit Narayan and Alka Yagnik ji. इस गाने के पीछे भी बहुत ही स्पेशल सी स्टोरी रही है. Chand Chupa was one of those songs that I had performed on Saregama Little Champs when I was, I think, around 10 years old. And I think out of all the performances, there were two songs which I remember, which were one of my favorite performances. One was Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, जो सबको पता है already, YouTube and other sites पे है. And the other one was Chand Chupa, जो मैंने गाया था. And उस टाइम पे अलका जी was the judge and उन्होंने गाना गाया था and she gave me a lot of compliments for this song. तो मैंने सोचा कि why not recreate this song in my today's voice when I'm 21, and I sung this when I was 10. So it was really awesome to do this cover and present it to everyone out there. So now let's go to replying to everyone. Kaushik Daspute, hey, hi. What's up, Kaushik? Amola Srivastava. Hi, Amola. Okay, 1,000 people have already reacted to this video. So I'm going to try to comment and reply, not comment, sorry, reply to whoever possible. Prasenjit Thakur, Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, please, and Ishara, bro. Ishara I done in the last session, so I'm not going to do it now. But Pal Pal, I'd love to do it. This is for Prasenjit Thakur. जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो. So yes, that was a dedication to one of my fans, Prasenjit. And Janvi Malik, please reply next month. मेरा birthday है. Hi Janvi, advance happy birthday wishes to you. Hope you have an amazing birthday. Anushpa Rana Bhatt, can you say hello to me, please? Hi, Anushpa. Shubhangini Srivastava, you're looking so cute. Thank you, Shubhangini. I always look cute. The number of people watching your videos increasing. So 1,000 people, 1,000 say 2,400 log ho gaye hain who are watching this. Wow, awesome. There are so many comments, I don't know how to reply. इंद्रनील चक्रवर्ती, बहुत मैसेज करता हूँ बट रिप्लाई नहीं मिलता. तो इंद्रनील, ये लीजिए आपका रिप्लाई. मैं आपको लाइव रिप्लाई दे रहा हूँ अभी. हर टाइम मिस किया होगा लेकिन 1 second, मेरा फोन रिंग हो रहा है एंड आई नीड टू स्टॉप दिस इन बिटवीन माई लाइव सेशन. Yes. Cutie Sumitra, I like your voice, Arman, but frankly saying after Arijit. Well, my favorite is also Arijit, so don't worry, I'm not going to take any offense at all because I love my fans and I love whoever loves me as well. And I love people who love other singers as well because I love the other singers as well. So there's no competition, but I love everyone's voices, and obviously, uh, you like my music too, so thank you. Rahul Mittal, sir, please say my name. Please. Hi, Rahul. I said your name. And well, this is amazing how awesome this live session can be. Shubh Shah, which is your next project? Shubh, I just liked your comment and I'm going to reply to that saying that I have something very, very exciting coming up. It's, I think it's one of my most cherished projects. It is a music video, and I'm not going to say anything more about it because I want it to release in the best way possible and come as a surprise for you guys. So बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला है, and I just shot it in Los Angeles in USA, and I've just come back, and that's why you can see these dark circles because I'm tired, sleepy. But I always love doing this live chat with my fans because I love you guys. Okay, I can't read your name, लेकिन किसी ने लिखा है love you from Bangladesh. Okay, love to all my fans from Bangladesh because I love all of them. And recently my brother Amal had come to perform there in Bangladesh. मैं नहीं आ पाया, but I'm going to be coming soon as well. So catch me there. Gauri Goel, keep up the good work, man. Your songs are too lovable to listen. Adore your talent. Hope you maintain it well ahead. Well, yes, that's a very important thing that you noticed. Many people get success, they do well, but it's this that goes crazy. And I'm glad that you put that point out. And don't worry, I'm going to try to focus only on my music and give as much love as possible to my fans. So I won't let this go crazy. Okay, wait, a lot of comments. Riyajul Khan, looking fabulous, bro. Thank you, buddy. And actually, लोग पूछ रहे थे कौन सा glares पहन रहे थे. So this was the glares that I was wearing in the afternoon on my flight. And this is one of the recent ones that I've just bought. Which is one of my favorites. How cool does it look, right? And actually, देखे तो you can see the live video through my eyes. And I was thinking, why don't I keep this on for the rest of the video, even though it's dark and there's no point. But I don't know, it looks cool. Okay, Sonika Chaudhary, I've been following you everywhere. I keep on tweeting every time, but you haven't replied to any of them. Sonika, well, here's your reply. And बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको reply नहीं मिला है. But yes, here's your chance. I hope आप सबको मिले. But obviously आप अगर ये live video कर रहे होते, so you would understand that there are so many people commenting on the live video, and it becomes really tough to reply to everyone, but I am trying my best. I think there are some song requests coming in. Seher Ahmed Akhtar has said, दिल में छुपा लूंगा. ये भी मेरा एक फेवरेट गाना है जो मैंने रिसेंटली गाया है. सो यस, अ फ्यू लाइंस ऑफ दैट. जिस बात का तुझको डर है वो करके दिखा दूंगा. ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा. तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा तुमसे, दिल में छुपा लूंगा. I can keep on going singing all day, but that's not good for my voice. Okay. Ayan Banerjee, so soothing. Thank you, bro. Priya Thakur, अरे सच्ची वाला love. मेरा भी सच्ची वाला love ही है सबके लिए, so don't worry. Shruti Chaudhary, Arman, love the way you give replies to your Armanians. Well, I think the best part is that I have such amazing Armanians who don't feel like outsiders or fans or whatever. It's like a family, and I think that they all are my friends, and I can speak to them like that. And I think that's the reason that we all connect to each other and we love each other so much. Um, Let me see. Anvai Ghosh, thanks for gifting a musical evening. Well, yes, this was the thought behind doing this, Anvai. I always wanted to do something like this, give back to my fans, and what better than to do it in a musical way. किसी ने बोला कैप निकालो, लेकिन मैं नहीं निकालने वाला क्योंकि बाल खराब है मेरे. आई कैन नॉट risk looking bad, but it's okay. Cap looks good. ये मेरी favorite cap है, so I will not remove this. Indranil Chakravarti, hi Arman, call your bro to join the live session. Well, Indranil, Amal has worked, I think, the whole night and whole day, so right now he's resting in the other room. I don't want to disturb him, but I'll surely tell him that you wanted us to do a live chat together. Next time, probably Sunday ko we could do something together. Let's see, I might rope in Amal to do a musical Sunday, and that'd be crazy. See, I told you. Someone said me, "Nahin, mat nikalo cap." अच्छा लग रहा है. See, I told you. It's looking good. बहुत बात कर लिया. I think I need to have some पानी. Water break. It's so weird. There's like so many people looking at me drink water. That's cool. It's normal. Janani Vijay Kumar, can I get to hear Janan? Janani, that's a very awesome request. One of my favorite songs, and I would like to dedicate this to Salim Merchant and Suleiman Merchant because it's because of them that I sang this song. It's a beautiful song, and I'll sing a few lines of it. हाँ मेरी हर खुशी तुझसे जुड़ी, अब कहीं नहीं चैन दो घड़ी, तुझको ढूंढूं मैं कहाँ, जाना जाना. Well, yes, that was one of my favorite songs as well. And let's go back again to the comments. Sochandra Vitkar, awesome voice, dude. Thank you, bro. Sonam Jha, and I forgot to smell you today, though. Were you wearing your perfume? Yes, I was wearing my perfume, but I don't think you paid too much attention. So, guys, Sonam is one of my fans from Delhi, and she got to meet me today, and we took pictures and stuff, and I met her. Very sweet girl, and it was great to meet another Armenian. It's always good to meet my Armenians. It's super cool. Sonam, I hope you enjoyed meeting me. And soon I'm coming to Delhi for a proper concert. So all my fans in Delhi, do watch out for this space. I'm going to announce the show very soon. And काफ़ी लोग भी पूछ रहे कि मैं कोलकाता आ रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm coming to Kolkata with my brother Amal. And we're going to be performing on Christmas Eve. It's going to be an amazing show. Details again I'm going to be posting on my FB page, so don't go anywhere and find out details. It's only available on my page, so I will be posting about it. Kolkata, I'm coming, and it's going to be an amazing show on Christmas Eve. So see all my Bengali fans and whoever out there in Kolkata is an Armenian and an Amalian has to come out on Christmas Eve and party with us. Ifat Azra, please come to Bangalore. Yes, I will come to Bangalore, and I have to come to Bangalore because I sang a Kannada song which I want to sing for all my Armenians in Bangalore live in concert. It's one of my favorites. It's called Sariyagi Nenapide, and I'll sing a few lines of it also. Sariyagi Nenapide Nanage ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಕಿರಣಗೆ ಮನದ ಪ್ರತಿಗೊಂದಿಯೊಳಗು ನಿನಗೆ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ So yes, that was my song in Kannada. Hope you guys enjoyed that. जिसने नहीं सुना है, I think this is the first time that we'll be hearing this song. Mehvish Akram, say my name. Hi Mehvish, that's a beautiful name. I've not heard this before, but it's a beautiful name. Janani Vijay Kumar, when you coming to Chennai, like after MS Dhoni, there are so many Tamil Armanians. मैं actually Chennai आया था. It was the first show before my world tour, which I did. So Chennai has been very lucky for me, and Chennai I'm gonna come soon, definitely. Shahina Ramchan, I want Arman Malik merch in Mauritius. Shahina, I think you'll have to wait a little bit more. Well, I don't know a little bit, but I'm still planning on the merchandise. I'm not sure if it'll be ready, but I will try my best to make sure that it is ready for all my Armanians worldwide. Lot of comments coming in. Saeed Saisha has said, can you please say my name? Hi Saeed Saisha. जिया शेख, क्यों अरमान मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं देते? जिया अभी दे दिया मैंने, लाइक भी कर दिया आपका कमेंट. सो यस, हियर यू गो. I'm glad that I can do this again and again. I keep repeating this, but it's such an amazing feeling to do something amazing with my fans, and I'm thankful to Facebook for allowing me to actually carry out a live session like this for all my fans. So thank you Facebook, thank you all my fans, thank you Armanians. I will meet you next Sunday, and hopefully I should get Amal for that as well. So until then, take care, bye bye, good night, and hope you have an amazing night, an amazing week ahead of you, because today is Sunday and tomorrow work starts. So hope you have an amazing week ahead of you. An amazing month. December is an amazing month. Spend it with family, spend it with friends, go enjoy, work a little less, because it's the last month of 2016 and एक नया साल शुरू होने वाला है. So lots of love to all the people out there, lots of support, love, wishes from my end and the Malik family. So see you guys, bye.